This one's an occasional poem. I'll let you guess what the occasion is. My father is the Sea King. I woke up one day in June, freeborn and 30, knowing that I was a traitor. I have never been to the ocean before. I cannot stand boats or rivers or streams. They destroy my equilibrium. Stream and rivers, rivers and seas. It is strange being firmly led towards the blue. But I feel the day and the waves of the day and the waves find a stay. On the 11th day, I realized that if I was 1 day old, I was 37 and therefore my father's age. Do you know that my father is the batting king? I have no sea legs. I have no love for concessions or competitions. His average is impeccable and the dust is brown. It's hard to work on your birthday. It's hard to wake up and know that you are 16 and your father is the motion king. I've been standing still for all 59 years of my life, but that doesn't change the facts. We live in a violent domain, and we are rich. So rich that I woke up and during the night I had turned the big 4-0. 4 decades is a long time to be anywhere, even Earth. My father is not the Earth King, since no one can rule the entire Earth. My father is the king of Crazy Ronald. Crazy Ronald is only one man, but not easily contained. It doesn't bother me, since I've never met the man. Today is my 3rd birthday, and I insisted on destroying my father, who is no real king at all. When he is dead, I will inherit nothing. Nothing, trees, nothing, trees, nothing. Since that moment, I've been bored. He's been pushing me towards the green. And I know that the trees are green, and I hate that about them. Hey, hey, hillocks and hollows, hollows and hillocks. I am the empire of the truth. I will never say that out loud. Yet I have no problem being related to someone so powerful and yet so temporary. My one wish is that on my 72nd birthday is that when the earth starts to crumble, that my father, the road king, is safe and sound. My father is the king of free will, and I am immortal, and have therefore ceased to keep track of my birthdays. My birthday is a times table. My birthday is the square root of my favorite number. My birthday is the number of hours it takes for Mars to crash into the lake over there. My birthday is telling you to shut up. My birthday had a really great time last night. My birthday has killed my father before my father could kill my birthday. My birthday is killing my father. My birthday is frantic. I'm 27, and my birthday is relieved to tell you that.
Woo!